Today's class we will be talking about the green plants. So, do you have any idea what is the name for these green plants? Yes, these green plants are named autotrophs. Today we will meet different type of autotrophs and know the special feature of these autotrophs. Do you know? Autotrophs are supporting all the organism on earth. Did you have any idea these green plants are so special that they are capable of supporting all of the other organism present on earth? And do they speak anything? Never. Never ever they speak. They go on doing so much so good for all without uttering a single word, isn't? So let us meet these green plants. These green plants contain a special pigment, and the name of the pigment is, can any student say what is the name of the pigment present in this green plant? This green plant, what is the name of the pigment present in it? Yes, this is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment that is always present in green plants. Chlorophyll. Now, what is the function of this chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is capable of enabling the plant to make its own food. So, plant is able to make its own food in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight with the help of which gas? Yeah, the gas carbon dioxide that we exhale, that is not useful for us. But these green plants are so special, so good that they take in this carbon dioxide and a small amount of water also and convert it into the food known as glucose, and they give out oxygen in this process. So this is the special feature of autotroph which we can always identify with the help of their green color. Now, what is your idea about these green plants? These small green plants. Do you see it? These green plants. Let me show you more. These green plants. This one, this one, this one. These are also green plants. Can they make their food? This one I am talking about. This one, the small one. These plants are called, do you know the name? This plant is called algae. Algae. You must have seen algae near water bodies. So what is this algae? Can this also prepare its own food? Yes, since this is also of green color, since its color is also green, it can prepare its own food, algae. What is your idea about this kind of plant? This one. This is of reddish brown color. Is it an autotroph or not? No? Okay. Yes, it doesn't have a green color. It has reddish brown color. But let me tell you. Do you put mask on your face? Mask. Mask of a lion, mask of a tiger, do you put it? Are you a lion? Are you a tiger? No. In the same way, this plant also, this one, it has also chlorophyll, but it is masked due to the presence of this green pigment is masked due to the presence of red colored pigment. Here also it can make its own food, and this is also an autotroph. About this one, variegated leaf. You are seeing some portion yellow and some portion green. So what's your idea about this plant? This plant, let me show you. This portion is green, and this one is yellow. See, this portion is yellow and this one is green, So what happens in this plant? The green portion is capable of making its own food. This green portion can make its food, and the yellow portion can't make its food. So chlorophyll is present in patches here. Some portion can undergo food making process and some portion can't.